Oh my god, this is absolutely incredible. Loads of flavour. Check out the layers. I mean, there's levels to this protein dessert business. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dessert Won't Hurt, the series where I turn your favourite snacks into protein-packed desserts that won't affect your waistline or your performance in your workouts. I'll keep this intro nice and short. The dessert today is a curly-wurly chocolate cheesecake, and as always, it's going to stay below 500 calories and will have more than 40 grams of protein, giving your muscles what they need and still being tasty as
fitness.
Hit like and subscribe if you want more protein-packed desserts. Subscribe! New episodes coming out every Wednesday. Let's get into the video. Starting off with the cheese filling part of the cheesecake, we are adding 120 grams of 0% fat Greek yogurt with 40 grams of Philadelphia Light. Once that's been mixed, we add 35 grams of chocolate flavour casein protein, which will help keep that filling nice and thick. 5 grams of cacao, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now to the base. We've got 0 added sugar digestive biscuits, and we ain't trying to make a mess out here, so put them in a bag before smashing them up. Then we're ready to get them together in the serving pot. This protein dessert is enough for 2 servings. Or if you're into lifting weights and want to gain some muscle, you might be justified to eat the whole thing. That's what I tell myself anyway. Push it all down so that the filling presses down onto the base. And then we're ready for the bit we've all been waiting for, the curly-wurly topping treat. I kept mine chilled so it's nice and easy to snap into small pieces that you can place on the top of your cheesecake. Oh my god, this is absolutely incredible. Look at all those layers you got in there. Loads of protein, loads of flavour. Check out the layers. And if you have made it this far, please hit subscribe. I'm trying to build an active community through this series. So if you are able to try this recipe, please do, and let us know what you thought by leaving a comment below, as well as telling us your favourite snack that you want to see in the next video. I want every viewer to feel part of this community, and I will reply to every comment. If we hit 50 likes, that lets me know that you want more of this type of content, so smash the like button if you want to see more. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.